Hey guys, welcome back. So today what we're going to be doing is an unboxing and a setup and use of our lighting system. As you can see, it's a little dark. We've adjusted a few of the things on the camera so we can get a crisper video. However, when you do that, the light intake into the camera, it becomes a little off. So what we're going to do today is we're going to unbox this soft lighting kit that we got off Amazon. And I will attempt to put the link in the description, as well as give you a picture of the Amazon page, so that if you can't get into the link, you can just go to Amazon and find it. So what it is, is it is a 2 light kit. So let's do the unboxing. So there are many kits that you can get, anything from, $80 all the way up to, thousands of dollars. So this is the Mountdog 95 watt kit. So I'll go over what's inside the box real quick here. So we have a customer support email address. For any issues, please let us know, which is nice. Brief description. So it's a 19.7 inch by 27.5 inch softbox with an E27 bulb holder. It's a 5500K daylight studio light package. And we have our first light. Packaged really well. Box. Styrofoam, almost, oh my goodness, that's a huge light. That's about 5 times bigger than I thought it was going to be. But hopefully we get a good system out of it. So it seems to be packaged really well. There's 2 of those, right? 1 for each box. And then we have the stand. So this is a fairly good tripod stand. It's adjustable, great. Okay, I see how that works. So you can tighten it up, adjust it, so different heights. Awesome. So there's 2 of those as well. This is a double kit. It is $99 on Amazon. You may be able to get it a little cheaper somewhere else. I'm not 100% sure. Nice carrying bag, so if you are going to be going out on the move, you can take everything with you. There's a free gift card. Never miss product giveaways and the free gift. 1-year extended warranty. Activate here within 14 days. So there's a 1-year warranty, which is something that's rare on an actual light bulb. All right, what is the first thing? Okay, so this is your light box, which we will set up in a time-lapse video, or as I called it in the past, a fast motion video. And that's it. This is your second light box. So again, it was packaged really well. Everything seems to be in good condition. We'll go ahead and set it up now. Let's put it together. Light number 1, and we'll go really quick for light number 2. Alright guys, it was pretty simple setup. So what we're going to do now is put them into place and play a little bit and see where the light works, and hopefully you'll see a difference in the video. Alright guys, as you can see, the lights are set up. I'm going to single shot a picture of our setup so you can see how we actually did it. You can either use that yourself, feel free, or go with another option. However, I do believe that these lights are going to work very well for our studio here. So I think that we're done looking for our lights as well. So let's recap real quick what we've gone over. Our camera, our microphone, our chair, and now our lights. We are happy with all of them. I still have a little playing around to do with the camera. It's going to take a little bit, but I think we're there on everything else. Next, the desk. The desk is a real issue. It's tiny, it vibrates. So that's going to be an upcoming video, and we'll discuss that as we go. But again, it's a Mountdog 2-light system, soft boxes, and they are 95 watt 5500K daylight studio lights. And yeah, so the package includes the 19.7 by 27.5 soft boxes, the 95 watt CFL daylight bulbs, the 80-inch tall stands, which actually have an attachment on them so that if you're only using one light, the attachment has a screw top so you can actually put another camera or a microphone or something like that onto it, as well as a carry bag that you can pack it all up. It might take about 2 minutes to pack it up and get it down, and then you can take it to a remote location or another location if you want to set up. So it's not really a permanent setup, but it's going to work. So that's what we have. You got your 1-year extended warranty. So remember, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on your notifications, and you'll see our videos as they come in. Again, thanks for your support, and if I don't see you around, I'll see you square.